So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and from this video we are going to start the series of current affair and general knowledge. In the starting of every month we are going to release a video of 10 questions on current affairs and general knowledge. So before going into the video, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel for regular job updates and various interview activities. Let's begin. So here are the first set of questions for this month. Which player has won the title of Belgrade Open 2021? Where largest reclining Buddha statue is installed in India recently? What is Barclays estimated GDP growth rate of India for financial year 2022? Recently, who has become the Director General of National Investigation Agency (NIA)? Goa Foundation Day is observed on. Recently, which state government has announced Mukhyamantri Bal Seva Yojana? Now, which company will acquire Hollywood studio MGM for $8.45 billion? Indian Broadcasting Foundation (IBF) renamed as. Which state government has launched Shishu Seva Yojana? Recently, who has appointed as the Indian ambassador to Chile? That's all about questions. Let's see the answers for it. So the first question is, which player has won the title of Belgrade Open 2021? Belgrade Open 2021 is tennis tournament played on clay courts in Serbia, and Novak Djokovic has won the title of Belgrade Open 2021. He is an Serbian professional tennis player. He is currently ranked as number one by the Association of Tennis Professional in the world, and he holds a record of year-end number one for 6 times. Question number two: where largest reclining Buddha statue is installed in India recently? So the answer is Bodh Gaya, Bihar. On May 26, Buddha Purnima, India's largest statue of the reclining Buddha have been installed at the Buddha International Welfare Mission Temple in Bodh Gaya. Question number 3: what is Barclays estimated GDP growth rate of India for financial year 2022? So, due to the effect of second wave of COVID-19, Barclays estimated GDP growth rate of India for financial year 2022 is 9.2%, where earlier it was 11%. Question number 4: recently, who has become the Director General of National Investigation Agency? So the answer is Kuldeep Singh. Kuldeep Singh has been given the additional charge of Director General of NIA, National Investigation Agency, to replace YC Modi, who retired. Question number 5: Goa Foundation Day is observed on. Goa is formed on May 30, 1987. From that, May 30 is seen as Goa Foundation Day. Question number 6: which state government recently has announced Mukhyamantri Bal Seva Yojana? So the answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath has announced Mukhyamantri Bal Seva Yojana scheme for the children of age 0 to 18 who have lost both the parents or any one of them due to COVID-19. The state government will take care of all the expenses of their studies, and they will give immediate financial help to them, and they will help in marrying the young girls. Question number 7: which company will acquire Hollywood studio MGM for $8.45 billion? So, Amazon.com agreed to buy the Metro Goldwyn Mayer movie company, also called as MGM Movie Company, for 8.45 billions. Question number 8: Indian Broadcasting Foundation (IBF) renamed as. So the answer is IBF. Indian Broadcasting Foundation is renamed as Indian Broadcasting and Digital Foundation (IBDF). Question number 9: which state government has launched Shishu Seva Yojana? So Assam's Chief Minister Himantu Biswa Sarma has announced Shishu Seva Yojana for all the children who have lost their parents due to this COVID-19. They will provide 3,500 per month to all the children who comes under this scheme. Question number 10: recently, who has appointed as the Indian ambassador to Chile? The answer is Subrata Bhattacharya. Subrata Bhattacharya is the present ambassador of India to the Republic of Serbia, and he has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to the Republic of Chile. He is expected to take up the assignment shortly. That's all for today. If you find this video useful, then do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.